Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an electric nail file. First, gather your essential tools: the electric nail file, a variety of bits, and crucial safety glasses. Next, prepare your workspace, ensuring it is clean, well-lit, and comfortable for both you and your client. Remember to sanitize your hands and your client's hands thoroughly before starting any work. Finally, select the correct bit for the specific task, perhaps a barrel for shaping or a cone for cuticle work. When filing, hold the handpiece gently, much like you would a pencil, to maintain precise control. Begin with a low speed setting, generally between 5,000 and 10,000 revolutions per minute, to prevent heat buildup and damage. Always move the bit in one consistent direction across the nail surface, never using a back and forth sawing motion. Apply only minimal pressure. Let the electric file's speed and grit do the work for you, ensuring a smooth finish. For cuticle care, gently push back the cuticles before introducing the electric file. Select a small, rounded bit, often referred to as a cuticle bit, for this delicate area. When working near the cuticles, keep the bit almost flat against the nail surface to avoid any nicks or damage to the skin. After shaping and refining, finish by using a fine grit buffing bit to achieve a perfectly smooth and even nail surface, ready for polish. Proper maintenance is key for longevity and hygiene. Always clean your bits thoroughly after each use with a small brush and an appropriate disinfectant solution. Store your electric nail file and all its bits in a clean, dry, and secure location to prevent damage. For your safety, always wear protective safety glasses to shield your eyes from flying dust particles. If you are new to electric files, practice on a practice hand for several hours before working on clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.